welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. If you are not, I hope you will consider subscribing to this channel. I like to do different things on this channel, hauls, crafting, just whatever we decide we're going to do, that's what we do over here. And today I have an unboxing from In Love Arts. And then I will be back with some project shares. And the first die that I have is this is a Christmas tree box. Once you cut this, you'll fold it and it'll make like a Christmas tree box. So excited to play with that. And then this is a snowflake border die. No. It's just like, you know, like hollies and berries and stuff, a border die, frame die. So that'll be fun too. And then these are, they got a little bent up and shipping. Not bent, but, you know, wonky. So you have the snowflakes and flowers. So these should be really pretty Christmas flowers. And then this is so cute. I can't even wait to mess around with this. So this is a bow with the snowflake. So that will be fun as well. And so this is In Love Arts, and I will add all the prices when I edit this video. I can't tell you right now the prices. And then there will be a 25% off discount for your total order, and I will put that on the screen as well as in the description and in the comments. And I will be back next week to show you all what I've made with these dies. I can't even wait to play with this one. This one's going to be so pretty. Well, I think they all are. So this is going to be cute. Got some beads to send out, so I'm going to put them inside this little box. So it's not very big. You're only going to be able to fit a couple in there, but it's still super cute. So, all right. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great time, and I appreciate you coming to watch. Thank you. Bye-bye.